Some of your friends will advise you to start dropshipping. Some will advise you to start forex trading and cryptocurrency trading, while others will also advise you to go into resellings of other people's products. But the truth of the matter is that all of these ideas requires you to pay money upfront, and most of the times when you invest this money, you will not start seeing gain immediately. And let's be realistic, most of these online side hustles are too saturated, and some of them are unrealistic and makes you waste your money and also your years. But there are also some side hustles that consistently beats them all. And if you watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to reveal it in this video, I promise you the truth, this is going to be a game changer for all of us. My name is Basi Ejogba. I'm a student in the University of Calabar studying medical laboratory science, and in my channel I help students level up their academic game. I also share helpful tips on this channel for those who want to win online. So if you love content like this, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so you can continue getting updates anytime I'll drop videos like this, and in turn you will help me grow. Side hustle right now is combining your skills with the power of the internet. These are two distinct stuff, side hustle, but when you join them together, you find out that you are going to be unstoppable, and that is freelancing plus content creation. For those of you who don't know what is freelancing is simply offering your skill as a service to people, and content creation is simply you creating content, right? So putting out content there, be it oral, that is, be it visual just like the way I'm doing, or be it written, right? So when you combine the skill you have with the power of the internet, you find out that you are going to be unstoppable and you are not going to be limited. And why I love this particular line of side hustle is because it gives you a form of leverage. And when I say it gives you a form of leverage, is that you are not limited to your city, you are not limited to your country. You can get work as far as anywhere in the world. You can get remote jobs, you can get hybrid jobs, and you can also get a full-time job depending on the company that is employing you. And when I talk about freelancing, it can be any skill that you have. It can be video editing, it can be graphics design, it can be web development, or any of them. Now when you have this particular skill, or what you just have to do is to start creating content based on what you do. So if you're a graphics designer, you start creating content based on graphics design. You start teaching people what is graphics design. There are a lot of people that have interest on the concept of graphics designing, right? They want to know what is graphics design, they want to start doing graphics design. You start teaching them what is this graphics design, still keeping your trade secret, right? So when you continuously create content based on what you are doing, you create awareness for yourself, and in turn you start building a brand. Now when you build this brand, you are already starting to earn, because some of those people who are learning this thing from you online in the course of you creating this content and they are watching it online, you will find out that some of them want to go further, where they want to be mentored by you, where they want you to teach them. This will also give you the opportunity. Now you find out this is the leverage. Find that this will also give you the opportunity for you to start your online tutorials, where you say, okay, or your online course, where you tell them to buy your course and stuff like that, or you join into your mentorship and stuff like that. And in the course of them also watching your content, you stand a chance of earning money, be it on Facebook, be it on Instagram, be it on YouTube, and also on TikTok. You find that there are multiple ways, and there are many leverages, there are many ways you can use to earn money just by implementing the concept of content creation in your skill that you have. So this is not something that you have to think about, it's not something that you have to think much about. I really love this, and you can start right with your phone. If you have your smartphone, or if you have a good camera, that is a bonus for you. You can start right with your phone, and I tell you the truth, by telling people what you already know will give you a form of leverage. Like I always say, it gives you a form of leverage, and it does build your brand. Now when it comes to this, just create go to Fiverr, create an account on Fiverr, post your service, right? Because you're a freelancer, right? So post your service, and you get to find out that people will chat you up, and some of them will say, okay, let me see your portfolio. Now if you don't have money to give a web designer, to a web developer to give you a very good portfolio, your social media page, be it your Facebook or your YouTube page, serve as your portfolio, serve as a proof. Because basically when it comes to the concept of portfolio, when someone wants to see a portfolio, they want to see what you have been doing. So when they see what you have been putting out there, when they see the kind of person you are online, you automatically tell them that this guy or this person is trustworthy, and they will work with you. I really love this, because the internet the internet is one of the biggest, I think the internet is one of the biggest community right now. If I don't think internet is one of the biggest community right now, and content creation is a new oil well, and you already have this skill, so implementing it or combining it with content creation tends to give you the ability to stand out among a lot of people who are also offering that same, or who also have that same skill like you. But now, like I'm saying, you are not just going to get this skill and keep it one side, rather you are going to combine this freelancing skill into your content creation journey. I believe and I tell you the truth, this is one of the surest way you can tend to promote yourself as a freelancer. Making money online in 2025 is no more about being lucky. It is about you monetizing your skill, offering it as a service to a lot of people, and creating content along the way, which in turn will bring you a global audience and a bigger opportunities. Which skill do you currently have? Is it graphics design, video editing? Which of it do you currently have that you know that you have? Right? So when I say video editing, graphics design, I'm not just limiting this skill to just digital skill. Also, any of the skills that you have, can you make hair? Can you plait hair? What do you do? Right? So just drop it in the comment section if you want me to teach you on how you can be able to create content centered on your skill. If you want me to teach you on how you can monetize your skill, also drop it in the comment section, and believe me, I'm going to create a video based on that. If you love this video and you feel this video is informative, I am not here to promise you a lot. If you feel this video is informative, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that I can continue getting updates anytime I'll drop videos like this, and in turn you will help me grow. And until I see you in my next video, always remember that you're wonderful, always remember that you're unique, and always remember that you're a pacesetter. I really love you. Thank you.